Hello, I also myself doing the Moku review. Leatherman brand reviews. Doing the Leatherman Wade winter version. Can't tell what kind of deal. I got this one here. Hard to open it. Here's all about the Leatherman Wade. This is an old version. Get with the AL on there, all that star on it, put a comment below. That's how we're trying to 2 on it. Here's the old Leatherman logo. They're all upside down. That's the old Leatherman logo right there. They got a U logo now. That's the first one. Yeah. Find them on LeathermanWave.com. The Austin Leatherman country. You had this Leatherman Wave bought and did put a comment below. That was started with Wave. I sold it before. I sold it. Only the bill sold it. With this will handle with placing wire color. We got a clan, drifter, under. Only by the replacing wire color to get an Emerald Wave Plus. I started out with pretty last. That one is flathead screwdriver. You to open that. That one how to open it up. This one is a fit your glasses. Is the most thinner thing to take your glasses and they get new. Wet-head and straight-head. You got the Moku tool right here. There we go, in. Alright, it's hard to get out of this. You gotta. There we go. Sitter, I not use that much. Now do it this way. The bolster and canister. Yeah, the boulder is a they want to use this more. Tighten outlet. Right inside that of tighten it. Got a flathead and a fillet. When I had a whole set. You do have a whole set, you can it come with a pocket clip, but now it come with it. You got stick kinda and then they put a comment below. Great Ed, my favorite grade. File, and this is the starting it way. Facade. You get those. I don't want to cut myself. I cut myself twice on this, on the saws. That's the way it is. How many 200? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many 200? I think 18, 19. You get how many 2 combined on a Leatherman weight. The windshield, how many 2 are together. Put a comment below. Well, that are my Leatherman weights. I hope you like the video. I hope when they get Leatherman 3 P2 or P4 and the new Leatherman brand come out this year. And I hope you one day we get that thing for me, or one day I'll get one for in the future. I hope you like this video again. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll put all the links down in the description. Always remember, stay nicey, my friend. Thanks for watching.